Hi guys, I'm Jeanine and welcome to Jeanine's Life. Yet again, I changed my name. I changed it to very simple stuff like Life with Jeanine, Jeanine's Life. Jeanine's Life sounds so much more personal and to me and what I'm sharing with you. I was recently looking at my old intro video and it was a little bit too much up. I was going on and on and on and on, and I don't think that's necessary. I'm going to keep it brief even today. Thank you for watching, listening, looking at the intro. It had like 1,700 views in a few months, which is very good. I do that and I change the name so that I can keep an idea of who's looking at the trailer, you know, how many new people are visiting me. So that's the reason for that. The name change is because I like variety. I don't like to stay stale or stagnant or just, I get bored easily. And I'm hoping that my people that follow me are the same way. They want a variety. They want to see something different within one place. That's why Jeanine's Life is very personal to me. It's going to be all about my life. With Jeanine sounded like I'm taking you with me to share something different. It wasn't jiving for me after a while of watching it every day and listening, and I'm like, I'm not sure I like it. But Jeanine's Life, no one else could take. That's mine and mine alone. So I like that idea. I like the personalization. I like that it's just mine. You know, I'm Jeanine. Nobody else could say Jeanine's Life. So that's fun. And the content does stick with me and what I'm doing. I travel, I vacation, I eat out, I go to happy hours, I put a new lamp in my house, we change things in decor. I've added my life where it really is going to be Jeanine's Life, and I did a series and I'm going to keep doing those videos about how I came to be 64 living in Pompano Beach on the sand, and that evolution, being married 3 times, having 2 kids and 4 grandchildren and 1 new to come. It's very, very varied and exciting and rich and full in my life. Although I always laugh and say I'm retired, not rich, that's true. Okay, I am retired, not rich. I live with my husband, Vinny, in Pompano Beach, 6 months and 6 months in Glen Cove in a little 1-bedroom we love to call the cottage, which we bought just to be near family. And we were God blessed to do it and be able to afford it. But it was a long journey, and that's what I share with you on Jeanine's Life. And I plan to take you full circle through what that was, and that's why I put vacation, so you can see our wedding in New York, our wedding in Antigua. We were married twice by fluke, not purpose, to be, you know, whatever. And it's just exciting, you know. I'm just feeling blessed, grateful, and wanting to share it. And whoever likes it and hopes to see it, I think that I got a lot of people that are interested, and I appreciate every single one of you for watching, however much, however long, however, you know, long you stay subscribed. I mean, I don't ask people no more to subscribe because that's up to you. If you like me and you want to watch regularly, then you should subscribe. But if you're not going to watch regularly, I'm going to be the first content creator to tell you, don't subscribe. Don't. Because you're giving me a false number. I'm looking at thinking I got 5,000 or 7,000 subscribers, but only 3,000 watch. And I see the numbers. So that's kind of a little disheartening. So only subscribe. And remember, I'm the only one that's going to say this. Only subscribe if you want to watch me regularly. I think that's what a subscription is. Doesn't mean daily. Doesn't mean monthly. But you want to stick with my content. You come in every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, and you say, what's Jeanine got going on this week? That's what I'm about. That's what I want from you. I want subscribers that like me enough and my life that I'm sharing with you to come and stick with me. You don't have to watch every day, every week. I wouldn't watch anybody every week. I feel like I'm too busy, and I'm busy sharing my life. So with that said, that's all I'm going to say. There's going to be a lot of good content, a lot of fresh content, a lot of new content. As I said, I live in New York and Florida. And I came on to change the name today and to tell you a little bit more, because I don't want any of my viewers to get confused or say, what's that? What's this? What's that? I'm going on vacation, not vacation. I have some, kind of vacation. I have some beautiful events coming up this week in New York where I have to be there. I'm going alone. Vinny's not going to be with me. So you may see me film there, and you say, wait a minute, I thought she spends May and June in New York. Why is she there now? And then she's going to come back and post a video on Jeanine's life in May, but she's back in Florida. Pay no attention to the geography, because I put older videos up that died and then I resurrect. I move around. I will go to New York at off times. I will be in Florida when I maybe shouldn't be, and vice versa. Right now, Vinny can't come with me because he has business to do in Florida. So I'll be there alone, but I'm only going to be there for a week and I'll come back. So I just want my viewers to understand Jeanine's life makes sense, and that's what it's going to be. Jeanine's life here, there, and everywhere. Okay? And the content that brings, and the shorts. Like when I go to New York, I'm going to be doing New York dinner shorts, parties, family, whatever's happening and going on. So just Jeanine's life is going to show it all and say it all and share it all. And I hope you enjoy it. And for those of you who did subscribe and do watch regularly and stick with me, I love and appreciate you very, very much. And for those who are thinking about doing it, just remember what I said. If you want to watch one video and go, that's fine. That's okay. But I really would like you to stay with me. I would like viewers that are loyal and stick with me. That's how you build a family on YouTube. That's how you grow. That's how you make a little bit of pennies and change. So that's what it is. I'll say goodbye for now. And some good stuff's coming up. I don't want to date anything. That's another thing. Don't worry about dates and times and things of that nature. Just go with the flow and come with me. Jeanine's life. That's what it is. That's what I'm sharing.